Hello, my name is Mark Northrup. I'm the Vice President of Advanced Technical Operations and Strategy at IEC Electronics. I'd like to welcome you to Dynamic Research and Testing Laboratories located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Dynamic Research and Testing Laboratories occupies approximately 2,000 square feet, and recently IEC Electronics has invested $1.5 million in this facility. At Dynamic Research, Testing, and Laboratories, what we're trying to convey to our customers is that counterfeit electronics are something that's very risky. And what we've tried to do is take a lot of time to develop test capabilities here per what's called IDA 1010, SAS 5553, and MIL Standard 1580. What those mean are they're just simple test methods that require us to use specific equipment to analyze very critical parts that may go into pacemakers, parts that may go into missile guidance systems, parts that may go into some type of radar tracking system. But if those parts are fake and they're not real and they fail, it'll be life-threatening to those that are involved with it. So one of the specialties that DRTL has brought in the past year is to invest $1.5 million into that equipment and to get it certified to a test certification called ISO 1725. Not only do we have to be able to identify fake parts, but we have to be internationally certified by a committee that says we're proficient. We can actually do these tests to a level of expertise such that the customer who is paying for or procuring our service can respect the results and the analytical testing that we do, the reports that we give to them are such that the content of them is very, very accurate. Dynamic Research and Testing Laboratories markets served are military, aerospace, industrial, defense, and medical customers. We primarily perform destructive physical analyses, failure analyses, and construction analyses. Dynamic Research and Testing Laboratories is active in the current government's National Defense Authorization Act, specifically Section 818 and 1320. The test methods used at Dynamic Research and Testing Laboratories have exceptional capabilities to support IDA 1010, AS 553, and MIL Standard 1580 test method requirements. We are proud of our IPC 600, 610, 7711, and 7721 certifications. Recently we also obtained the J Standard 001 Space Edition certification. Our memberships are SAE G19 AS 553 Committee and the Aerospace Industry Associates Committee. We offer external and internal visual, optical and scanning electron microscopy, radiography, resistance to solvents, seal testing, decapsulation, wire pull and die shear, cross-sectioning, energy dispersive X-ray analysis, infrared spectroscopy, and thermal gravimetric analysis. The lab is ISO 1725 certified and currently an ERAI member. We focus on educating our customers in the importance of part management on obsolete programs and how the lack of discipline drives almost all of our counterfeit substandard part issues today. If you don't understand, we try to keep it very simple. If you had, let's say, a phone, computer, and you had a component that was counterfeit or fake, and it didn't work, it'd be an inconvenience to you. But like I alluded to earlier, if the part is fake or counterfeit and it's something that's life-threatening, how would you feel if your pacemaker on one of your relatives failed? How would you feel if you had a person in the military flying over in Pakistan or Afghanistan in an F-18 or F-22 and it had a fake or counterfeit part in it that compromised the mission? What if you had somebody that was trying to defense against some type of weaponry and their radar failed? All of these are examples that we take very seriously at Dynamic Research, Testing, and Laboratories. The proliferation of counterfeit electronics has a negative impact on the high reliability electronics community today. Can you afford not to have a risk mitigation strategy today?